Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am recreating this style for some of you all that did request it. Yeah, it doesn't take long at all. It's very quick. So I did want to do that today. This hair that I am working with is of course from Nadula's hair. I do have their Brazilian curly hair. I cannot remember the lengths, but I'm going to have all of the information down below for anybody that is interested. This hair is treating me just fine still. I have no issues with this hair at all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do not mind the frontal, y'all. It looks like pure trash. It was time to take the wig off, but before I took it off, I did want to recreate this style for some of you all that requested it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright y'all, that is pretty much it on how I got this style. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, or concerns for me, again, leave them on down below. I hope you guys have a good day or night whenever you all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!